Bali to check in and let's enjoy the place. Today I will take you to a tour of this beautiful place. Very few tourists are here, and this is a little tough terrain, but I mean amazing. Just hear the sounds around you and see the jungle. It looks it's different. It looks more like staying close to nature. So let me take your opportunity and take you to a part 2 of this place, and then we go for there's a water, there's a river flowing, small stream flowing down the hill, which is part of the resort. We'll go there and we'll go to sports there. That's the whole idea for today. So let's go. This is the main lobby as we go. No one is there in the counter. It is early in the morning, so people are arriving slowly, the staff people. That's one side of the resort. There's a temple there. I don't know if it's visible or not. And those rooms are there. Then followed by that. I'm not sure if the sound of the stream is being picked by GoPro or not. But there's a stream flowing which has decent amount of current, so I can understand the sound is coming pretty clear to here. So then that is one thing, and then there are a few rooms this side, there are other rooms this side. Let's go. So this is our room. This is what we got. It's a deluxe room. Front these are all deluxe rooms. Are there in normal rooms, standard rooms at that side, which is very small. So and this bottom, this all area is ours until that boundary. I'll just go down and show you what is there. So it's kind of a two-storied building, all wooden. Not a very big room, but you can't expect more if you are coming for a trip like this or a jungle stay. So it's outside room. This is our private terrace. That's the entry. You have to actually walk down. That's the lobby. So you come walk, and that's your private area where you can have spend some time here. And this is all is private area. This all belongs to us for the day. So I'll just take you around how to go there. Let's go. It's a little risky, especially with Ryan, because there's no boundary. No complaint, you don't get better than this. So going down, these are the stairs. Tricky one to climb, but okay. So this is the part of room. This is a small sitting area if you like 2-3 families or even a family with kids. You can come eat your food here. You can sit here, spend some time. Okay, so this is the private area that you get. You can walk down. Small garden. Ryan was playing in the morning here. He was having a good time. He was playing around, so that's the look. So then you climb down from here, and this is all your area. You can enjoy it. So the river is somewhere down there. You can't see it, but the sound is coming pretty nicely till here. So yeah. So This is our we call it hut. Okay guys, so here I am. As I told, there is a waterfall here. Just this is part of my resort, the Bali jungle hut, and you can bring a raft. They have air balloon kind of raft which you can use on this river, and then just have fun here. The water is chilling cold. It's coming from the mountain up there. Come, run, come here. Come to Papa. Come to Papa. Come. That's the waterfall. I'm trying to climb up to it. Let's see. Oh, that's the waterfall. That place looks so good. Amazing. See the canopy there? So we are kind of between two ridges, small canyon kind of thing, and this is amazing experience. As I told, water is really very cold and it's rocky, so need to be very careful walking on them. Okay, it's time to say goodbye. This place is really good. There was little confusion yesterday about the billing and rooms, but this guy have given me a free upgrade, which makes it even more special to me. Going to Tanha lot. This was the best experience. Bye bye. Say bye bye. Okay, so we are here at Tanha lot temple. We are going to just see the places. Ryan is sleeping. I think he's tired playing in the river. So the view is very good. The sea looks visibly very aggressive, but yeah, it's nice. That's the place we are going. Basically, just like India, they are making a mockery of the whole thing. You go there and sprinkle some water and you have to pay some donation, hoping that you can climb that stair and go to the top of the mountain, to the temple, but actually the way is just closed there, so all the people going there kind of full. See, all this was done so that I can go to the temple and see the view from there, but it's not like that. It's just like you can be here, and that's it. That's everything about it. But again, it's a nice experience. It's not a bad thing. It's a really nice experience to visit this temple. There are so many temples in Bali. This possibly is the best one, yeah, for sure. So in that regard, it's good. But I'm really was wishing to go and see the temple at the top. That would have been a much better experience. This is the newest kind of kite I've seen in the shape of a ship. I've never seen something like that in my life, and this looks nice. Let's take a closer look to this. See how it looks. We have extended our trip, so we just came to Pantai Pandawa to just have a quick visit. We'll go 2-3 beaches and then we go. Here's my very good driver. We had great time with him, so it's his idea to bring us here. So we're just taking some few photographs and then we go down the beach. There, the beach is there, and then to the next beach. Our last sunset in Bali, and probably the best one. So I have turned on the hyperlapse. Let's see what I can capture in that. But this beach is much better than Kuta beach. This beach is much enjoyable and the waves are coming really strong. Kind of a picture perfect sunset. I have never seen this kind of sunset in years. I think last time I saw in India when I was in, I think, Trivandrum. This is a picture perfect sunset. Wow, this is how the sun should set. We want to see like this. It's amazing. It looks so nice. Just the sun is going. I think it's matter of seconds now and the sun will be gone in the Indian Ocean. Amazing. Life is too good. Thank God for all the happiness that He has given to us. This trip was amazing. It's a sunset to our trip as well. Most probably this last beach that we visited, and Bali would always remain close to my heart. And oh, the sun is just gone. It's just gone. Oh my.